Oh yeah, this is giving me sexy librarian vibes. Who's talking? Then let me stop. Tell me, what do you have in mind? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a bunch of makeup products that I have not tried yet. Like, I just look at them like, hey, I want to try y'all, and they're just sitting in the back of my makeup cabinet, just sitting there, and I just want to try them, but I always reach for the most recent stuff. It's like, no, I'm gonna sit down today and I'm gonna use these products that have just been sitting back there. I'm going to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. Y'all just look at my skin. Look how good it looks. I think it looks so good, and that's because I'm using Curology lately. I love their moisturizer. Their moisturizer is so good. Honestly, I've gone through so many moisturizers, but literally this is the only moisturizer that actually moisturizes my face, you know? It's the bomb. I love it. And I already primed my face and put on some mattifying primer. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this video. So before we start, I have this powder here. I don't think I've tried this powder, but I like to start off with a powder on my face just because it helps control the oil. Like, I have a very oily face. It's so annoying. So I like to use a mattifying primer, and I also go in with a powder right after that. Open the damn thing. Fuck, what's going on, dude? I cannot open this container. Jesus Christ. So it's just a loose powder here. Oh, and also, since my skin is looking so good, I don't even use foundation. Like, I've been on a very strict skincare routine lately that I don't even need foundation at all. I've been using, like I said in the beginning, I've been using Curology, and it has really cleared up my face. So if you have not tried Curology, I really highly recommend you try it because it works. Like, I don't have like very troublesome acne. I just have like dark spots. It's definitely cleared up my skin a lot. Like, I used to have like these annoying little bumps on my nose. I was so annoying, like it would make my makeup look terrible because those little bumps. And I would get them on my forehead a lot and on my chin and down here. And they have gone away ever since I started using Curology. And I've used it for like a few months now. So what do I do after that? Honestly, I don't even know where to start because I haven't been wearing makeup in like months. I don't remember the last time I did a full face of makeup, so I'm like at a loss right now. Today, I have been wanting to do a sculpted brow look because I just fill my brows in right now. As you can see, like, I have no brows. My brows have always been like this, like non-existent. Like, where are my brows? What is this? Why aren't they growing? I guess, and my eyelashes as well. Like, I have no eyelashes. Look, there's nothing there. Oh my gosh. I get so jealous looking at other girls with like full luscious brows and eyelashes. Like, I don't have anything. Look at my fucking eyelashes, see? Nothing is there. It's like so short. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go ahead and do my brows. I got my bag full of makeup brushes. So I have two different brow pomades I've been using. I got this a while ago. I'm not sure you guys seen it in my previous videos, but I got this. I've been using this Longwear gel eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, but I use it for my brows and it turns out amazing, okay? And I also, this is a newer one, but it's different. This is by e.l.f. and this one is a way lighter shade than the other one I've been using. I don't know if I want to use it. As you guys can see, this is the one I've been using, and this is the newer one. You can tell it's way lighter. So I'm not going to use the newer one. I'm going to use my older one because I want snatched brows. Now, let's stop rambling and get this done. Now listen, y'all, it's been a while since I did my brows like this. Like, usually I just fill them in like just a little bit and then I just go on about my day. But it's been a while since I did like a full-on snatched brow. So if this might seem a little crazy, I'm sorry. Doesn't look crazy. I feel like these are not even. That's the one thing I struggle with the most, is getting my brows even. Like this brow, one of these brows, I don't know what it is, but it always fucks everything up. I feel like this brow always looks good, but this brow is just like, what is going on here? Every time I do my brows, every time. This one looks really good right now, but this one is just looking a little like a smoking crack or something. You know the saying, brows are sisters, not twins, but they're not supposed to be cousins. Usually for the concealer, this is my favorite concealer. This is my Maybelline New York. It's just like this, and this is my favorite concealer ever to do my brows. But I'm not using that today. Like we said, you were using mostly all newer products. So I'm going to be using this 10 color concealer palette. I've only used this like once, I think. Yeah, I've only used it like once. You can tell I used the brown. But we are going to use, I'm going to use this shade right here to line my brows. And I'm just using a flat brush. So I'm not using that light shade, I'm using this color instead, this one.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case.
Now before that dries, I'm going to blend it out with this beauty blender just over here on this side first.
It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet time.
Okay, that one's looking pretty good so far.
Reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart.
Okay, I think they look okay. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I snatched my brows like this, but I think they look alright. Now I'm going to fade out the front.
Slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want.
My brows look good. Ooh, who's she? She's a new bitch. I'm actually really surprised because it has been forever since I did a full-on brow like this, so I still got it. Now for the eye look. What eye look do I want to do? I always go for neutral looks because I just love neutral looks, but I kind of want to do kind of a pink eye look. Okay, we're going to use my Unique palette. I know you guys recognize this palette. It's kind of an older palette, but I'm going to be using this shade right here, Irreplaceable. I'm gonna cover my eyelids with some concealer before I do anything, actually. I wasn't sure. I don't usually do this part. Sometimes I do, if I really want the colors to pop, but do not mind my fucking ashy hands. Let me put some lotion on real quick. But I don't know why I haven't used this concealer palette because this was bomb. This is really good. I don't know why it's just been sitting in the back of my drawer, not being used. But like I was saying, I don't usually do this part, put concealer on my eyelids. Usually I just skip it, but I kind of want the colors to really pop out today, so we're gonna do this. That's pretty. This is a makeup palette I got from Walmart actually. And I'm going to use this sparkly pink shade. Right there, that pink shade. Ooh, she pretty. I haven't even used this palette, just not looking at it. See, what am I doing with my life? I got all this makeup stuff all this makeup products and I haven't even used any, and like it turns out amazing. Like, what am I doing? I'm kind of bringing it up into that crease area just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my fluffy crease brush and fluff those together. Ooh. We're gonna do some lashes. I have a bunch of lashes in here, like a bunch of different lashes in here. Now I always, these are my go-to lashes. I get these at Walmart and they are so pretty, you guys. Like, these are my favorite lashes ever. They're just like my absolute favorite lashes ever. They're so natural, they're so beautiful, they're comfy. They are my favorite. I did get some lashes at my local beauty supply store and I already opened up the package. I'm not sure what lashes I want to try. What lashes should I try? I kind of want to use these ones, but these ones are really cute too. We're gonna use these ones. Like, I just like a more natural lash. I'm not really a big fan of the big dramatic ones. See, this is my eyelashes with mascara on. I still don't have lashes. Kinda like these lashes. They're cute. Now I'm going to go in with my contour stick. I don't have any newer contour sticks that I got, so this is always my go-to. This is my favorite contour stick. I got this from Shop Miss A, and it is my favorite ever. Okay, now to highlight my nose, I have this, I don't even know where I got this. I think I got this from crownbrush.com, but it's an eyeshadow. It's really pretty. I've never used it. So we're gonna use this to highlight my nose. Very pretty color. Ooh, she pigmented. So I'm gonna use some blush. I got this blush also from Shop Miss A, and I used it once and I loved it. It is so pretty and it's like the perfect shade for me. Put that on there. So pretty, just so beautiful. I love blushes like this. The shade, it's just so pretty. I also like to put some on my chin too. I don't know why, I've just been doing that for a while. Now for the lips, I have so many different lipstick colors, like so many. This is called Spice. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that smells so good. This is so pretty. I kind of want to do a brown. Let's see. I got a bunch of these lipsticks from Shop Miss A, but I think I got this one from Walmart. Oh, that is so pretty with this eye look. How you guys like that brown look with the brown lip? I love it. Oh, I love this look. This is sexy. I love this look. I'm gonna just leave it like this because I just love it. This brown lip. Oh my god, this brown lip. Why has this been sitting in my makeup drawer? Look at that lip color. Do the eyes. But anyways, you guys, this is my makeup look. I absolutely love it. This turned out so good, and it has been a long time since I did like a full-on face of makeup, and I just love it. Look how good this looks. I still got it. Look at these brows. Look at this eye look. Look at these lashes. Look at this lip, this brown lip. This lipstick is called Spice and it's by L'Oreal and I got this at Walmart. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my makeup videos. If you guys love this look so much as I do, comment something. I don't know, just comment something to let me know. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching and bye-bye.